Alright, so what we have here is a 1992 Isuzu Amigo. We're going to be replacing blow motor resistor for your speed controls. Now, this little box is located behind the glove box here. First thing you're going to want to do is obviously remove your glove box. These two pins right here, they're little plastic pull-out pins. You just grab them, pull them out. Alright, so after pulled out, I'm going to set those aside. I'm going to bend that out. There you go. There's your glove box. There's your blow motor resistor. As you can see, it's already unplugged. I unplugged it, kind of cheated a little bit, but it's easy. Just to press that little clip right there and then pull out. You do that with like a screwdriver or something. Press it down while pulling back. Alright, so now we'll pull back and out. The tricky part about this is actually getting to the screws. I've got a screwdriver here that'll get to this screw here. To get into that back screw without removing a whole bunch of other stuff, you're going to need a stubby screwdriver or you're going to need to improvise. In my case, I had to improvise a little bit to actually get my Phillips screwdriver in there, get it loose, and take it out the rest of the way by hand. I'm sure that you can figure out something like a little impact bit with a pair of needle nose and your finger held on the back of it to try to turn it. I've done that before too. Either way, I want to get this out next. Alright, so the screws are out. Get this thing out of here now. There we go. And now what we're going to do, you can obviously see, I can show you real quick. Alright, so here are the two of them side by side. The one that's bad is right here on the right. You can tell by that little broken coil right there. That broken coil is stopping me from having speed control 1, 2, and 3. 4 high I have. But every other setting I do not have because of that little coil right there. Here's a new one. Well, it still works. Same plug style. All made in Japan parts. Now, after a certain year model, I believe they changed to a different style resistor. This is in a 92. The 93 and 94, I think, had a different box style. So, this might not, I'm not sure if the location's the same or not, but you might have a different resistor. Either way, for a 92 model and below, it's going to be right here. You can obviously see here. The next step's obviously to put it in. Getting to that screw over there was fun for me, but I'm sure for others that have the proper tools is much, much easier. Either way, this is an interior part anyway, so it should be easy no matter what. Shouldn't take much time at all. Okay, so with that all plugged in and everything, all I'm going to do is put the glove box all back together and we're going to test this thing. Alright, now for the test. We're in mode 3 and in mode 4. The two modes that really matter, for that matter. We got medium high and high, but we have differences between the modes and that's what matters. Thank y'all for watching.